Hey everyone, it's Desiree, and I am here with another video for Paper Rose, and this time I'm going to show you a real easy way to create a gift card set. So I am going to be using the rectangle ray cover plate. We're going to die cut that from many pieces of cardstock, and then I just dug around for different sentiment cards. So I have the hello fine, the thanks, and the hugs layered dies for that. I'm going to start out, I'm going to show you one, and then I'm going to show you all the different ones that I created. There was a total of 5. I'm going to start out with black. So I cut this from 6 different pieces of cardstock, or 6 different colors of cardstock. The first one is black. Now this measures approximately, this die set, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. All right, just a little bit smaller than that. And when I die cut this, all of these rays will come out. So you can see I've die cut this multiple times, a total of 5. And I'm going to set the frame first, and then I'm going to put the pieces back in. This will give it just a little bit of texture, and you could leave it this way. It would just be solid black, but you'd have that texture going around. Now, you might be saying, well, why didn't you use double-sided adhesive on the back of these? That's because I forgot. Yes. But I like the ability to piece these pieces in. For black, I would have done that because that's my main color. But for the other colors, because I chose... How many colors did I choose? I'm trying to look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I chose 6 different colors. Those you do need separate, and you'll see. So getting these all set, I'm using my liquid adhesive to get those sat down, making sure that I am putting glue to the tips. Now, you can see some white through these pieces that I'm setting. It's okay. They are not even noticeable after we get our colors added. So here I have all of these. Whenever I die cut this panel, I took each one of those strips and put it in those little tiny plastic Jello cups. So I had like 10 or 12 of these to hold these strips. And then I would choose each of my colors. I would first choose the starting color and then continue down the rainbow and just pull that color. I did do these individually, meaning I did one card, put down all of the color strips, then I put down another card with the black, and then I did that card. So I didn't do them all at once. I'm going to set down these last colors, and you can see it's a very light, bright rainbow that I chose. And then we're going to get our last piece in. And that is what our panel is going to look like. I already have my sentiments die cut, and I'm going to choose to put them in different locations, but make sure that they hang over the rainbow. Here are all the cards that I created. I'm showing 5. There is a 6. I can't find it. It just went somewhere. You know, it's amazing what our desks look like. But here are all the colors. You can see how the rainbow shifts in each of them. This is going to be a gift for a friend of mine. She loves using handmade cards, and I figured this would cover a lot of areas for her. She still believes in snail mail, which I think is great. As always, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope I let you look at those dies that you may have a little different way to create a card set or to create that different type of design. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Remember to enjoy the art that you create. Have fun with it. Try different things, because there's one point you may find that one thing that you do enjoy. Take care, and always remember what's most important to me. Always be creative, guys. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Till then.